Hi and Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back once again to Technology Information Channel. Today in this video we are talking about the Caterpillar ACERT series from C7 to C32 model, ACERT series industrial engine, complete ECU, wiring explanation and detail of overall electrical wire diagram complete in this videos. Before starting the video, a small request to all newcomers. If you are first time on my channel, please make sure to subscribe and also don't forget to hit the bell notification to getting latest update videos. So let's begin. As you can see here, C7, C9, C11, C13, C15, C18, C27, C32. Okay, this all series is used same like a ECM controller. This is all the ACERT series model engines industrial using ECU model ADEM4. Okay, so when you understand one of them, the basic electrical wiring diagram of the ECU, pin out, pin in, and ECU both J1 and J2 connector, you are able to work on this all model. Okay, from C7 to C32 model. So let's begin. First of all, little bit review the ECM. As you can see, let me open. As you can see, this is the engine system diagram C7 C9. Okay, install wiring and components. As you can see here, we have ADEM4 ECU. Okay, J2 and J1 connector. This ECM have two connectors, and as you can see, the J2 connector is distributed to the injectors, HEP10 pump, and also the distribute to the sensors. As you can see here, dual cam speed timing and timing calibration harness, and injection and actuator pressures, atmospheric pressures, and also connector with the intake air heater relay, and the another side to the oil pressure, fuel pressure, coolant temperature, intake manifold air temperature, intake manifold boost pressure. Okay, so let's me open the another connector. As you can see here, and this ADEM4 controller, and this diagram was for C7 and C9, the using same ECU, and another from C11 to C18. As you can see here, because the C11 and C18 not have a fuel injection pump or HEP10 pump, because the C7 and C9 have injectors and HEP10 pump, but C11 and C18 engine not have the HEP pump. It's only have injectors and other sensors. As you can see here, crank speed timing, cam speed timing, timing calibration probe, adapter cable, fuel temperature, atmospheric pressure, oil, fuel, coolant, intake manifold air temperature, and intake boost temperature. This is same like using going from the J2 connector. And from C27 to C32, this engine have V type. Both sides have injector bank 1 and bank 2. As you can see, J1 connector, 120 pin connector is going to the bank 1 and bank 2 injectors, and also the crank speed timing, cam speed timing, and also with respect to the same another engine. Okay, so this is the little overview. As you can see here, the customer install component diagram. As you can see, this is from the J1 connector. Okay, J1 connector, disconnect battery switch, and also the circuit protection required, key switch required, and also here we have intake air heater battery required, C7 C9, and coolant temperature. This is most likely for the vehicle. Okay, So let's move to the original wiring diagram and explain each by each pins to understand. First of all, the 70 pin connector. Understand? This is the complete wiring diagram of the C32 ADEM4 controller ECU. Sorry. So let me open the 70 pin connector. As you can see, this is the complete 70 pin connector. Sorry, 120 pin connector. As you can see here, top to bottom, 120 to pin 1. Understand? So as you can see from here, pin 118, then 117, 116, 115. As you can see, injector 3, 1, 5, injector 7, 8, 7, 9, 5, 11, and 1, 3. This is all for going to the injectors. Okay, injector 9 and speed timing shield, oil temperature. Okay, as you can see, if we follow this wire T T958 and T958, as you can see, T958, that's, as you can see, this completely going to the, let me find the injectors where we have our injectors. ECU main relay. Here we have ECU main relay. As you can see here, starter motor. As you can see, the starter motor, S terminal wire, which is orange wire, and this have dual starter motor. As you can see, one starter motor is up and one is down. Okay, C32 model engine. Okay, as you can see, a switch timer and also the breaker. Let's have small breakers, circuit breakers. Battery disconnect switch is also using two batteries, as you can see in a series. Battery circuit, starter motor circuit, and let me find the injectors. As you can see, the ECU main relay. This is the ECU main relay. ECU relay that can turning on and off the ECM. Okay, as you can see here, the speed sensor, MPU sensor, is connected with the ECM that bands 838, and this is the complete wiring diagram of the C32 model. As you can see, T838, this is injectors. This connector is coming to N and a J7 connector, injector 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 to bank 1, and 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 8 to bank 2. Okay, as you can see, orange wire and white wire with the orange tip. Okay, as you can see, here is a primary engine speed timing sensor crankshaft and secondary engine speed timing sensor crankshaft. This is the complete detail and complete explanation of the Caterpillar model ACERT series from C7 to C32 model. If you have further want to read and understand this diagram, please write comment below in comment section. I will send you this complete wiring diagram. Thanks for watching. See you all next time. Goodbye.